Assalamu alaikum, Seaman students. Welcome to another week of e-learning. I hope everyone is fine, and first Ashra of Ramadan Mubarak has already gone. I hope everyone is safe and sound at your homes. Let's hope for the best. Today's topic is how to write an article for a school magazine. We already discussed about and wrote an article 2 weeks back, and I must see that how many of you remember that what were the main features of the article writing. Okay, I hope everyone remembers it, that articles are written to focus on certain issues, and the second thing is to inform people about any incident or happening which has happened and you are writing an article about it. The main objective of this lesson is not to discuss about the main features of article writing, but focus on the question we are going to attempt today. Okay, let's read the topic carefully. This is a typical CIE question that you have to write a magazine article. Recently, a foreign student spent 1 month as a member of your class in order to learn about your country. You decided to write an article for your school magazine about the visit. Write your magazine article, you must include the following. Since all of you know that this is a type of directed writing. Article writing is directed writing. And directed writing means that we are given with a set of instructions in the question. If you look at the question carefully, we read it carefully, we will find out all the main things which we have to attempt and be careful about in the question. First thing is the audience. Who is the audience? When you are writing an article for a school magazine, obviously the students are going to read it. And the other thing you have to keep in mind is the tone and register, that what should be the language, what type of words, vocabulary and style you have to adopt while you are writing. Another thing is the task is already given, that this is an article and it should be written. Content is also instructed about in the question, that you have to write student's name and other details about him or her, student who is visiting you in your school, who is a foreigner, what the student did during the visit, both in and out of question, how the visit was of benefit to the student and your school. Now, after giving the information about the student who is visiting your school, you have to tell in detail that how did he or she spend his time with you inside and outside the school, the activities you people have done, um, the famous spots in the city you have visited, how did the that foreigner student react, and what were the reactions of the students in your class or other people in the school, how was the visit was of benefit to the student and your school. What did the student benefit you in any way? He must have benefited by knowing another country's culture, language, their norms, and how they used to study there. You must have compared each other. Cover all these points in detail. You should make sure your article is lively and informative. Start your article with a suitable title. Important words are lively and informative. That not only the information should be given, but the the way in which you are narrating all these experiences you had with that foreigner student should be not very serious but lively. It means that humor should be added now and then. How can you find humor? That you can add any embarrassing moment you had with her or him, or the reactions of your class fellows when the first day that student came and had a session with you people. There can be many other things. When you visited other places, there were things which the student didn't know about, and there were funny moments which occurred among you. That's how you can make it lively. Okay. So after adding other than adding these humorous things, you also should be sound pleasant, and it should be clear in the article that yourself you are yourself interested in writing this article and you are enjoying writing it. There must be something unique to say when you start the article, so to attract the readers towards reading that article further. Okay, there are few things that which tells us that how to make the article interesting. To have a strong introduction, you need to open up with a strong first sentence. Have something unique to say. There should be always something which is innovative, which is originally felt or experienced by you, not read anywhere else. Keep the ways, the things you are describing in a simple way. Speak directly to the reader. Explain what the article is about, and also explain the importance of the article. So if you will keep all these things in your mind, your article will obviously be very interesting, and the school magazine will be able to print it.